Evaluate. What is done to an expression? 2x is an expression. The opposite of an expression is an equation. An equation is two things placed equal to each other. Technically, 2 equals 2 is an equation because of the equals sign. But 2 equals 2 is not very interesting. It is more interesting to say that 2x equals 6, or what number, when multiplied by 2, is 6? The variable x needs to equal 3. And what about 2x plus 4 equals 6? What value does x have to be to make this statement true? At the most basic level, an equation has an equal sign. An equation has two sides, parentheses, a left and a right, and parentheses, and an equal sign, parentheses, through which the center line of an equation exists, and parentheses, and both sides of the equation must remain balanced. An equation is, quote, solved, end quote. An expression is, quote, evaluated, end quote. The expression, parentheses, 2x, for example, end parentheses, lets us experiment through iterative, parentheses, repeated, end parentheses, evaluations of various values for the variable x in this case. What if x is 10? Then the expression yields 20. What if x is negative 5? Then the expression yields negative 10. Each time we substitute in a given value for the variable, we are evaluating the expression. The expression might be more useful than the equation, especially when paired with a spreadsheet like a Google Sheets or an Excel spreadsheet, which are calculation programs or apps. With a spreadsheet program, we can set up any number of complicated expressions which depend on one another, and then proceed to alter each to see what the outcome may be. An expression does not have an equal sign, and is a collection of numbers, variables, and operators like 3x plus 5. An equation is two things placed equal to each other. An expression is, quote, evaluated, and an equation is, quote, solved. Antonyms: solve. Related words: solve, spreadsheet, numerical model.